may have heard the saying work smarter, not harder. Well, the same goes for losing weight. You may be overthinking your diet and exercise plan and seeing only minimal results when you could be doing some really simple, no brainer things that work wonders to speed up your weight loss. These no brainer tips are really just clever habits based on science with once implemented into your daily life help you automatically reduce the number of calories you eat. Here we discuss 5 proven ways to lose weight without dieting or exercise that you can implement today to help you lose weight the easy way. Number 1, unplug while eating. Eating or snacking while watching TV, checking email or surfing the web leads to autopilot eating, meaning you unconsciously eat more because you aren't paying attention. Studies have shown that when you eat attentively, you automatically eat fewer calories because you are more aware of being full and later remember how much you ate, thus reducing calories for the rest of the day. Sitting down with a plate of food and eliminating distractions also helps you focus on portion controls. So unplug while you eating. Number 2, start meals with smaller portions. Speaking of portion control, the natural tendency when starting a meal is to order a starter then a main dish, or fill your entire plate to capacity regardless of how hungry you might actually be. Then there is also a market trend in restaurants encouraging people to supersize their meals. Serving yourself larger portion of ordering excess food has been shown to stimulate overeating. To avoid overeating, start your meal with smaller portions and wait several minutes before eating more. If you feel extremely hungry and need to eat a large portion, fill up on low-calorie foods first. Number 3, eat low-calorie foods first. You may have noticed that when you order a starter such as house salad or soup, you find yourself full before the main dish arrives. Generally, the main dish consists of high-calorie dense foods made with oils or butter. Studies have shown that eating low-calorie salads or soups before a meal leads to less consumption of high-calorie food. A good rule of thumb is finish your salad or soup before ordering a main dish. Or you can also box up your main dish and break it into smaller meals over the course of 1 or 2 days. Number 4, stop and chew when eating. How we eat is just as important as what we eat. When you are eating, remember to take your time. After having a bite, savor it by chewing longer and then put your spoon or fork down and stop eating for a moment. Studies have shown that prolonged chewing and slowing down the eating process leads to less calorie intake and an increase of hormones leading to satiety. Number 5, hydrate with water. Sensations of hunger and thirst are surprisingly difficult to differentiate, especially now that people tend to drink more high-calorie beverages. In fact, hunger may subside when you are fully hydrated with water. Studies have shown that drinking a couple of 8 glasses of water 1/2 hour before a meal cuts down on the number of calories people eat. Hydrating with sugar-sweetened beverages or their higher calorie beverages does not show the same weight loss benefits and instead is linked to increased rates of diabetes, hair disease and obesity. Thanks for watching.